In this video, I will show you how you can make your Snapchat profile public. In most countries, if you're a Snapchatter who is 18 plus, you're eligible for a public profile and will have one that you can choose to use. To begin using your public profile, first go to the Snapchat app, click on your profile icon, and scroll down to find the Spotlight and Snap Map. Tap on the Add to Spotlight, then tap on Get Started, and create a public profile. By turning on this option, it will make your profile visible to a wider audience. Now, if you don't have this option, then another thing you can do to make your account more public is adjusting or modifying your privacy settings. Let's get started by opening the Snapchat app, click on your profile icon, and tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down and find the privacy controls. This section allows you to customize the privacy settings for different aspects of your Snapchat account. We will start with this option right here. Here you can choose who can view your Snapchat story. Just tap on the everyone option instead of limiting it to my friends only. Then go back to the privacy controls and click the contact me option. Here you can choose who can contact you directly with snaps, call, or chat. Set the options to everyone so other Snapchat users that you're not friends with can contact you directly. Now go back to the privacy controls and tap on the See Me in Quick Add option. Enable it by tapping on this icon right here so your Snapchat profile will appear on other users' quick add list. Additionally, you can share your Snap code to other platforms or websites to encourage more people to connect with you on Snapchat. Even you cannot have a traditional public profile on Snapchat, by doing this method, it can help your account more discoverable and increase your reach on the platform. Comment down below if you have any other questions and I will do my best to help you. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.